Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Jano by Sikhe. Today we are going to continue our previous video, and as we know, in the previous video we have learnt our sounds, vowel sounds. In that we learn some 12 monophthongs and 8 diphthongs. Yeah, now in this today's class we are going to learn consonant sounds. Okay, what are the consonant sounds? Okay, let's see. Before that, what are how many consonant letters we have? We know very well 21 consonant letters we have in English. And how many sounds do we have for these 21 consonant letters? We have 24 sounds for them. Okay, so consonant letters, consonant letters, how many do we have? 20, 21. Yes, 21. And how many sounds we have for them? Means consonant sounds. Consonant sounds we have 24. Okay, so for these 21 letters we have 24 sounds. It is clear. So now in this video we will see these 24 sounds so that we can easily pronounce in a easily can pronounce to any word, and it will be really helpful for us in our pronunciation, in our spoken English. Okay, in this consonant sound, these are actually non-vowel sounds, as we learned in our previous video vowel sounds. Okay, so in this video we are going to learn non-vowel sounds. Okay, so here is a one thing is very benefit for us, that is consonant sound. Most of them will be related to our Hindi characters, so these sounds will not be much difficult for us and will not be new for us. It will be similar to Hindi words, so somewhere these all are going to very easy for us, and it will be simple to understand us. Okay, compare then as we learned in our previous video vowel sounds. Okay, so let's start our these 12 sounds, 24 sounds, one by one we will see in this video. Okay, so let's see. So friends, now we have to see the consonant sounds. Okay, let's see first four consonant sounds. First one is what? Pa, pa. Okay, pa, pay, pay, happy, happy, cup, cup. Okay, then pear, pear, pear. Okay, pear, pig, pig, pig. Okay, this was the example of sound pa. You don't have to go for the words which I have written here. Okay, it is just a symbolic representation so that you can idea what kind of sound it is. Otherwise the word is not going to work here. The sound of that word is going to work. Okay, so sound is pa. Here the sound of b, b. Okay, b, bed, bed, trouble, trouble, trouble. Okay, bay, bay, ban, ban, rub, rub. So sound of ba was there. These are the example of sound of ba. Okay, now let's see the sound of what? Ta. Sound of ta. Here one thing, the sound of ta. Ta, there is no sound in English. In English we have no sound of ta. We have sound of ta. Okay, ta sound we have. Sound of ta we have in Hindi but not in English. Okay, so let's see the example of sound ta. Tip, tip. Okay, set, set. Okay, letter, letter, letter. Time, time, time. Tear, tear, tear. Okay, so this was about our the sound of t. Sound of t. Now see the sound of d. D. Okay, dip, dip, sad, sad, ladder, ladder, do, do, dear, dear. Okay, so these are the example of sound the. Sound the. Again, I'm saying don't go for the letter, go for this sound the. Okay, dip, sad, ladder, do. Okay, so now let's see the next four more other sounds. Okay, so friends, now let's see another four sounds. Okay, fifth one is here, ka. Sound of ka. Came, came, back, back, care, care, talking, talking, kilo, kilo. So these are the sound of K. Okay. Now here sixth one is sound of Ga. Sound of Ga. I have just written word G, but actually the sound from where this will come, mostly these word will be contain a word, contain the letter G. Okay, but the sound will be Ga, not G. Like here, game, game, go, go, gear, gear, bag, bag, bigger, bigger. So here as you saw, the word was G, but the sound was coming G. Okay. Now let's see the seventh one, which is the sound of F. F. Okay. Fine, fine, offer, offer, five, five, off, off, father, father. Okay. Friends, let's see the eighth one. Okay, this is the sound of V. V. Okay, let's see the example. Wine, wine, very, very, saving, saving. Okay, the sound of V. Van, van, video, video. Okay, here the sound of V. Here the sound of V of Hindi letter. Okay. What? Wa. Like saving, van, video. Okay. Now let's see another remaining sounds. Okay. So friends, now we have four more sounds. These are consonant sounds. Okay, as we know. So now see here the sound of tha. Sound of tha. Okay. Thin, thin, method, method, thick, thick, think, think, then both, both. Here what do we can understand that the where the word will be tha, that sound tha will be come out from these two words, through these two consonant words. These are T and H, tha. Okay. Okay, so now let's see the tenth sounds. Okay, the sound is dha. Actually, the thing is the same, but here we say to it in a hard way. Here we say in soft. Soft tha is it. Okay, soft tha. So the sound comes dha. Okay, okay. Then, okay, then soft tha. It is soft tha. Okay, then, there. Oh, sorry. Other, there, with, the. Okay, so this was all about the sound of tha. Here it was hard, here it was soft. Okay, now let's see the 11th one, that is the sound of sa. Okay, see you. Okay, see you. Six, face, see, missing, okay, so here it was the sound of sa. Now let's see the 12th one, that is the sound of z. Okay, z. zoo, zoo, face, phase, phase, crazy, crazy, zebra, or I think people say zebra. Yeah. So zebra, zero, zero. Okay. Okay. So now let's move on the remaining sounds. Okay, friends. Now let's see another four. Okay. Hear the sound of sha, sha. Okay. Show, show, rush, rush, pushing, pushing, short, short, shear, shear. Okay. Now let's see the sound of z, z. As earlier we saw the sound of z. Here the sound is same, but we have to stretch a little here. Okay. Z. Okay. Measure, measure. Okay. Measure. Asia, no. Asia, Asia. Okay. Asia. Many people don't know the right meaning, right pronunciation of this word. Say Asia. Okay. But it's wrong. It is the correct pronunciation of this Asia. Asia. Casual, casual. Vision, vision. Genre, genre, genre. Okay. Genre. Now 15th one, that is the sound of ch. We have this sound in Hindi, that is why we are not going to face problem in that. Like watching, watching, cheer, cheer, church, church, chan, chan, catch, catch. Okay. So this was the sound of ch. Now let's see the sound of z, z. Okay. 16th one is the sound of z. Zoke, joke, joke, judge, judge, charging, 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 jam, jam, large, large. Okay. So this was about the sound of z. Okay. So again, let's move on. They move on to the remaining sounds. Okay, friends, now let's see the other four more sounds. Okay, I know it will be little boring, but the thing is that we have to learn. Okay, so these are the sounds. Actually, it will help us. We are not going for everything, but at least through the examples, some of them you will be able to know. Okay, if you will go further, if you will go on Google, can search out and you can learn other examples more. You can learn, but the thing is that here a few examples I'm telling, so at least you will be aware from these, and some of them you will be at least know, and these all are very common in use. Okay, so let's start. A very few more has left. Okay, so now let's see the 15th one, that is the sound of L. Again, it is not going to be this much boring and difficult, not at all, because this sound is also in our Hindi pronunciation. That is why we very well know how to pronounce this word. Okay, live, light, live, light, well, well, follow, follow, lamp, lamp. It was easy? Yes, it was. Now the same one, M. We are also aware of this sound. Okay, M, M. Okay, ma. The word is M, but the sound which we are using here, that is ma. Okay, male, male, humor, 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 some, much, much, milk, milk. Okay, milk. So these are the sounds actually we have in Hindi pronunciation. Okay, so we don't face this much problem in the pronunciation of these. Okay, because Hindi is our mother language. Yeah. Now the N, the sound N. Okay, nail, nail, funny, funny. Okay, nine, nine, no, no, near, near. Okay, near. So it was also all about the sound of na, na. The word which I have written, it is just for symbolic representation. Not we will go through the word, we will go through their sounds. Okay, here actually there no I have any representative word. At least um, actually there the sound is n, but at least we will have to stretch here. No, no, here the no, nail. Here I will not say singer, 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 singer. Okay, singer. Here we are stretching to this sound a little. Okay, singer, earning, oh sorry, earring, ear, ring, 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 ring. No sound is buzzing here. Okay, ring. Okay, pringle, pringle, pringle. Okay, sing, sing, ring, ring. Okay, and those examples I'm telling here, if any one of them meaning you don't know, so it is your homework that you will have to search what is the meaning. Okay, by the way, here the word is sprinkle. This is a chips. Have you eaten ever? If yes, so don't forget to comment. Okay, so it is sprinkle. Okay, and let's again move to the remaining sounds. Okay, so friends, now let's see the fourth last consonant sounds. Okay, here the one is 21st is ha, sound of ha. Okay, ha, like hello, hello, house, home, heel, hot, perhaps, perhaps, perhaps. So this was the sound of ha. Another the sound of yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, you, you, Yemen, Yemen, beyond, be yeah, yeah, be beyond, you, yeah, yeah, you, united. It is not you, it is yeah, yeah, united, united, yes, yes. Okay. Now the sound R. Okay. Word letter is R, but the sound is R. Okay. Real, real, read, read, correct, correct, reply, reply, roam, roam. Okay, so here the sound of R, R. Okay, now here the letter is W, W, and the sound is what? W, W. Window, window, war, war, we, we, win, win, showing, show, wing, wing, showing. So friends, this was all about the sound of consonant letter. Okay, 24 sounds were there in consonant letters. I have told, see, 24 consonant sounds I have completed here. Okay, so still if you have any doubt, you can rewatch the video, you can google for more examples so that you can understand better. Okay, how possible was there this much example I took, and I explained you all in a detail that what were their sounds and how do we have to pronounce them. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed this journey of pronunciation. Yeah, but yes, it is very important for you all. What do we have to do? At least you must know the sounds, that how do we have to pronounce this and that word, that differentiation should you should know. Okay, so that if any word comes, you able to pronounce them nicely. Okay, this was all about my aim to teach this pronunciation in class. Okay, in the next video we will touch the point will be similar like this, but it will be really amazing. Okay, very different, and it will be very amazing. Hopefully, you have enjoyed this class of pronunciation. Today, we are ending here for the pronunciation of consonant sounds and for vowel sounds. Our total 44 sounds have covered. In the previous video we had covered 20 sounds. In this video we covered 24 sounds. Okay, so total it was 44 sounds. Hopefully you have learned a lot about these sounds. Okay, now you all have to do what you need to do, practice, which is very important. Okay, you all have to do practice for these all. Okay, and if you face any problem, any doubt, you can comment me, I will support my best. Okay, till then keep smile, keep watching my videos, and I will meet you soon in my next video. Okay, thank you.